Okay, let's be honest. We've seen robot dogs before. Some can dance, some can flip, some can, well, scare the cat. But this one might actually change your daily life. Meet RoverMate, the first robot that doesn't just follow commands, it understands them. RoverMate just made its world debut at the 2025 World Robotics Conference, and it's already breaking the internet. Why? Because it's not just a robot. It's like having a pet, a personal cameraman, and a helper rolled into one ridiculously smart machine. No controller, no joystick, no awkward app menus. You just talk, and it acts. You can literally say, "Hey RoverMate, follow me," and it'll trail behind you, carrying your bag, filming your walk, maybe even guarding the snacks in your backpack like a loyal golden retriever. Except this one doesn't shed, doesn't bark, and won't eat your shoes. So, what makes it so special? It runs on a VLA brain. That's Vision Language Action. Basically, it can see, understand, and do. You tell it something, it connects the dots between your words, its cameras, and its surroundings, and then just makes it happen. Like having a personal assistant that doesn't need reminding 12 times. And it's not some clunky piece of metal either. The design team followed a less but better philosophy: sleek, minimal, and expressive. Those anthropomorphic dual cameras, they can rotate almost like eyes, scanning 230 by 125 degrees, paired with a 360-degree LiDAR, so it never bumps into anything, even in messy homes. So yeah, it's basically Wall-E if Wall-E had LiDAR and could fold your laundry. And for all the content creators out there, imagine a robot that films you on its own. No tripods, no gimbals. Just say, "RoverMate, record me," and it'll lock onto you, track your movements, and shoot like a pro. It even gives little feedback with lights, sounds, and movements, kind of like a robot with personality. It's expressive, responsive, and, yeah, surprisingly adorable. Vbot designed it to be part of the family. It can accompany your kids to the park, keep an eye on elderly family members, or carry your shopping bags when your hands are full. And here's the kicker. It runs for over 6 hours on a single charge. That's thanks to its massive 600 watt-hours plus battery, developed in partnership with Eve Energy. That's 38% more capacity than what most industry robots can handle. Underneath all the charm, there's serious tech. Its dual-system architecture reportedly has 3 to 8 times the compute power of a smart car. It's capable of running large AI models on the edge. No cloud delay, no "please wait while I think." It reacts like it's alive. And here's the wild part. Vbot calls it an agent-driven companion. It uses something called the MCP protocol to coordinate all its skills and respond naturally to human intent. You don't need to control it. You just need to mean it. Say something, move your hand, or give it a look. It gets it. It's not just a product. It's a glimpse at what comes next. When machines stop feeling mechanical and start feeling alive. With over 300 million yuan in funding and partnerships with companies like JD.com and Hesai Technology, RoverMate is gearing up for global launch in 2026. Maybe it's not just replacing your pet or your assistant. Maybe it's becoming something new entirely. A companion that listens, learns, and lives right alongside you. Because the future of home robots, it's not about control, it's about connection. So, would you let RoverMate join your family? Don't forget to like, share, and tell me in the comments. What would your RoverMate do first?